neighbor's donkey got out and came over to our yard. I had to help corral it back home. It's running down the road. They're out there. I don't even know why the neighbors have a donkey. But there it is in my nephew's yard. They chased it out of our yard. It went down the street, and now it's in my neighbor's yard. His dogs are barking. They're going crazy. Ay, ay, ay.
Okay, so this wall over here.
Yeah.
I need to stand it up.
You need me to help you?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna need you at one end while I go to the other end.
Alright. Which end do you want me on?
I want you here. This board is gonna. Yeah. Look at the. Oh, you can't look at the other corner, but yeah.
Did you make it longer?
Yeah. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
I might need you in the middle.
So we can lift it.
Yeah. There you go.
Alright. One down.
When you get back, I'm ready for two-post, old man.
Oh, you ready? You ready now?
I got 4 walls.
Well, I can go ahead and put them in now if you want to.
I'm ready for two-post.
So you've already lengthened that 2 feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here on this end.
It's 26 feet, and 26 feet, and 10 feet, and 10 feet.
It looks like you only added a foot. I didn't think I'd hit rock because I drove them in a lot further than that. They just be at one area right there.
Right? Go ahead.
Don't let me hit you.
Check this out.
Somebody there got out.
Go ahead.
They can't keep the dogs contained. They can't keep their dogs contained. Well, there is. I don't know. There's something down there.
You're going down. And we're installing the last 4 of the 8 solar panels to be installed today. 4 on the well house and 4 on the bus. Oops.
Teresa's putting on wire ties on the new hoop. We're using cattle panels. So you can see them up there. We just nailed them down. And once they're all fastened together, then we'll put the canvas back on it. We'll have us a hoop house.
have a couple more things to do.
But that's the long and the short of it.
Yeah, we're not quite ready for the canvas yet.
No, we've still got a couple of tasks, but you can see a little gap right here. We have to take a part of a cattle panel, cut it up, fill this gap, and we're just about done.
Yeah, you need to come over here and move the cattle panel back.
Alright, on my way.
This one here. See the gap?
Sorry we didn't get the action shot of this happening at the time, but we did get the hoop house back together. We just put this in a few minutes ago. Everybody who helped, Teresa, my mom and dad and I, put this on and then zipped it up, and just a couple of things we got left to do. Teresa started stapling it, but the zipper came off. So anyways, you know, the wind ripped it off, but we put it back on. She started stapling it on one side, but she didn't finish, and so we don't expect any strong winds tonight or tomorrow, so in the morning she'll come out here and finish. But you can see it's back on, and we've got cattle panels on the inside with a wood frame, and this should be sturdy enough to keep it. The Lord willing, of course. Anyways, hope you like it. See you next week.